Hey, sweetie, welcome to Cuddle Cub's Bedtime Stories, where the stars twinkle and bedtime stories come alive. Snuggle up and get cozy as we journey through magical lands and meet gentle friends who are all getting ready for a good night's sleep. Are you ready for a magical sleep? Let's start our story. A global journey to rare friends. Tonight, let's embark on a magical bedtime journey around the world to meet some of the rarest and most wonderful animals. Each friend has a unique story to tell about where they live, what they eat, and why they are so special. But before we meet them, do you ever wonder why these animals are so rare, unlike the birds we see every day in our backyards? Let's find out. Panda from China. In the misty bamboo forests of China, we find the gentle giant panda with their striking black and white fur and peaceful demeanor. They spend most of their days munching on bamboo. These lovely bears need cool, forested environments to thrive. Pandas are special because there aren't many left, as their forest homes are getting smaller. Good night, panda. Kangaroo from Australia. Bounding across the Australian outback, we meet the kangaroo. These marsupials carry their babies in pouches and love to eat grasses and shrubs. They thrive in Australia's warm, open landscapes. Kangaroos are iconic, but face challenges as their living spaces change. Good night, kangaroo. Flamingo from the Caribbean. In the warm, shallow waters of the Caribbean, the vibrant pink flamingo stands gracefully on one leg. They scoop up algae and tiny shellfish that give them their pink color. Flamingos love sunny, watery environments and are rare because their homes are not as safe and clean as they used to be. Good night, flamingo. Orangutan from Indonesia. Swinging from branch to branch in the dense rainforests of Borneo and Sumatra, the orangutan, with a reddish-brown fur, spends its days feasting on fruits and leaves. These wise apes need large forest areas to live happily. Orangutans are rare because their forest homes are getting smaller. Good night, orangutan. Snow leopard from the Himalayas. High in the cold, rocky mountains of the Himalayas, the elusive snow leopard roams. Their thick gray fur and dark rosettes help them blend into the stony landscape. They hunt small mountain animals. Snow leopards are rare because their mountain homes are so remote and tough to live in. Good night, snow leopard. Kiwi from New Zealand. In the dark, green forests of New Zealand, the small, brown, flightless kiwi searches for insects at night. These unique birds need thick forests to feel safe. Kiwis are very special because there aren't many left, mostly due to other animals that were brought to their homes. Good night, kiwi. Komodo dragon from Indonesia. On the rugged islands of Komodo, the mighty Komodo dragon, the largest lizard on Earth, patrols its territory. They eat almost anything they can catch and need hot, dry environments to thrive. Komodo dragons are rare because there are only a few places where they can live happily. Good night, Komodo dragon. axolotl from Mexico. In the cool, high-altitude lakes near Mexico City, the quirky axolotl swims. These fascinating creatures, which look a bit like smiling water dragons, can heal themselves in amazing ways. They eat small fish and insects and are very rare because their lake homes are not as clean as before. Good night, axolotl. Bengal tiger from India. In the lush jungles of India, the majestic Bengal tiger, with its striking orange coat and black stripes, stalks silently. These big cats are top predators, eating deer and wild boar. They need large jungles to thrive and are rare because their homes are shrinking and changing. Good night, Bengal tiger. Sloth from Central and South America. Hanging lazily from the trees, the sloth moves slowly through the rainforests. With their long claws and greenish fur, sloths eat leaves and fruits. They are special because their tree homes are getting harder to find. Good night, sloth. Arctic fox from the Arctic tundra. In the icy lands of the Arctic, the small white Arctic fox uses its thick fur to stay warm. They change color with the seasons and eat rodents and birds. Arctic foxes are rare because their icy homes are melting. Good night, Arctic fox. Blue whale from the oceans. Worldwide. In the vast, open oceans, the enormous blue whale swims gracefully. The largest animals ever, they eat tiny shrimp-like krill. They need cold, deep ocean waters and are rare because the oceans are changing. Good night, blue whale. As the stars twinkle above, each of our rare friends settles into their night, safe in their special part of the world. From jungles to mountains to oceans, they share a common wish for a peaceful night and a safe tomorrow. Good night, rare animals. Good night, little explorers. Dream of a world where every creature thrives and the earth sings in harmony. Remember, every little thing we do helps keep our planet safe and clean. Whether it's recycling, saving water, or being kind to all creatures, each of us can make a big difference. Sleep tight, embraced by the beauty of our precious planet.
Hey, sweetie, close your eyes and rest your head. Welcome to Cuddle Cup's bedtime stories, where the stars twinkle, shining bright above. Bedtime stories come alive like magic from the skies above. Snuggle up and get cozy, it's time to drift away. Journey through magical lands where dreams and wonder play. Meet gentle friends who'll keep you warm and safe in this sleepy, soft embrace. Nighty night and dream tight with Cuddle Cup, where twinkling stars guide you through the night sky above. Close your eyes and let your imagination soar. In the land of dreams where love and peace forevermore. Nighty night and dream tight with Cuddle Cup. twinkling stars guide you through the night sky above. Close your eyes and let your imagination soar.